Alright chaps, welcome to my channel. We're going to rebuild this 1966 3.8S Jag from the ground up. Bear with me while I figure out this YouTube stuff. I promise it'll get better. As you can see, this one's been stripped down. It's actually going to be a donor car for the other one I've got outside. So the whole shell looks pretty tidy, but the wheel arches have been cut and they've done a pretty rough job on it, so we're not going to use this shell. We're just going to cut bits off it and weld them onto the other one. We've got a bunch of things in boxes and they're at about 3 different places. This is the shell we're going to use, although it looks pretty rough, the majority of it's in good condition. I also have a complete engine, as this one was running and driving when I first got it. Took the flappy disc to this fender here and it's pretty thick with bog, so we're going to sort that out. Now onto fun stuff. I think for the colour we're going to start with either a Warwick grey or a Dove grey. That's kind of the way I'm leaning at the moment. For the wheels, I'm thinking mini lights. I've seen them on a few and they look pretty good. I like the way these exhausts look rather than the upswept ones, so we'll probably go with that. And black leather interior, I'd say. If we can manage to get it to sit this height, that'll be perfect. But there's plenty more choices to come. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.